Synonyms for researchers. A list of almost 80 synonyms words used in research for beginners to remove plagiarism from content. Synonyms for researchers. Synonym of problem statement is statement of the problem. Synonym of research problem is problem identification. Synonym of significance of study is importance of study. Synonyms of study rationale are purpose of study, justification of study and rationale of study. Synonyms of literature review are review of literature and empirical review. Synonym of literature gap is research gap. Synonym of research design is research strategy. Synonyms of structure of research are research structure, organization of research and organization of study. Synonym of descriptive analysis is descriptive statistics. Synonyms of correlation analysis are correlation matrix and Pearson correlation matrix. Synonyms of reliability analysis is Cronbach alpha. Synonyms of scale of measurement is level of measurement. Synonyms of primary data are first-hand data and raw data. Synonyms of secondary data is second-party data. Synonyms of experimental study are randomized study, randomized trial, randomized control trial, RCT, and field trial. Synonyms of quasi-experimental study are non-experimental study and observational study. Synonyms of case report are cross-sectional study, single case study and case series. Synonyms of sample selection bias are self-selection bias, incidental truncation, response bias, non-response bias, informative missingness and missing not at random. Synonyms of selection bias are endogeneity, emitted variables bias, unmeasured confounding, unobserved confounding, confounding by contraindication, residual confounding and hidden selection bias. Synonyms of researcher are academic, scholar and specialist. Synonyms of significance level are level of significance and threshold level. Synonyms of insignificant are not significant and non-significant. Synonyms of research paradigm are philosophical foundation and framework of a research work. Synonym of results is outcomes. Synonyms of dependent variable are explained variable, response variable, endogenous variable, controlled variable, outcome variable, regressant variable and predicted variable. Synonyms of independent variable are explanatory variable, manipulated variable, exogenous variable, control variable, exposure variable, regressor variable and predictor variable. Synonyms of dummy variable are binary variable, indicator variable, dichotomous variable, discrete variable and categorical variable. Synonyms of mediating variable are mediator, intervening variable, contingent variable and intermediate factor. Synonyms of moderating variable are moderator, effect variable, qualifier variable and interaction term. Synonyms of confounding variable are confounder or confounding factor. Synonyms of control variable are control and nuisance parameter. Synonyms of basic research are pure research, fundamental research and theoretical research. Synonyms of applied research are contractual research, decisional research, scientific research, scientific method of inquiry and conceptual research. Synonym of descriptive research is hypothesis-generating research. Synonyms of explanatory research are causal research and ex post facto, Latin for after the fact. Synonyms of exploratory research are interpretive research and grounded theory approach. Synonyms of confirmatory research are hypothesis testing and hypothesis testing research. Synonym of case study is case report. Synonyms of longitudinal study are longitudinal survey and panel study. Synonyms of observational study are naturalistic observation and field research. Synonym of idea is notion. Synonyms of qualitative data are categorical data, non-numerical data and descriptive data. Synonym of quantitative data is numerical data. Synonym of continuous data is variable data. Synonyms of discrete data are attribute data, categorical data, discontinuous data and discrete values. Synonyms of cross-tabulation method are contingency table and crosstabs. Synonym of max-diff analysis is best-worst method. Synonym of confidence level is level of confidence. Synonym of critical region is rejection region. Synonyms of regression line are predication line and a line of best fit. Synonyms of techniques are methods and approaches. Synonym of respondents is participants. Synonyms of directions for future research are recommendations for future studies and suggestions for future studies. Synonyms of limitations are limits, restrictions and boundaries. Synonyms of relationship are association, link, linkage and connection. Synonyms of analyze are examine, scrutinize, study, investigate, evaluate and consider. Synonyms of mean is average. Synonyms of median are midpoint, positional average, second quartile, middle value, central value and center value. Synonym of mode is modal value. Synonym of standard deviation is root mean square deviation. Synonym of variance is mean squared error. Synonym of range is interval. Synonyms of minimum value are smallest value and lowest value. Synonyms of minimum value are largest value and highest value. Synonym of normal distribution is Gaussian distribution. Synonym of intercept is constant. Synonyms of regression coefficient are slope coefficients, slope, beta, main effect, parameter estimate and regression weight. Synonyms of error term is disturbance term, residual and white noise. Synonym of observation is sample size. Synonym of correlation coefficient is coefficient of correlation. Synonym of R-squared is coefficient of determination. Synonyms of p-value are probability value and value of probability. Synonyms of according to are based on, in the opinion of, as explained by, in line with, as claimed by and in concordance with. Synonyms of examine are inspect, scrutinize, study, investigate and look at. Synonyms of past studies are previous work done by researchers and scholars. Synonyms of check are inspection, examination, analysis, audit, checkup, control, inquiry, investigation, poll, reign, research, review, scrutiny and test. Synonyms of therefore are thus, hence, so, consequently, accordingly, hence, and so, as a result and for that reason. Synonyms of contrary are dissimilar, opposing, conflicting, different and disagreeing. Synonyms of furthermore are additionally, moreover, in addition and also. Synonyms of in short are in summary, in a nutshell and let me reiterate that. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.